Alright, here's our new store. We're up and running. Today is our first day. Mannequin. So a little chalkboard. We go inside. Mannequin at the window, lovely. And one right here is a mirror. So we have this sitting area. And gorgeous flowers from next door. This is Megan, our new sales associate. Can you say hi, Megan? It's a video tour of the new store. It's going to be on Google. Okay, so this is Katie's little salon area station. There's Leslie's back there, and we are waiting patiently for this one. Beverage table, we've got our shoes back over here, cute little rack, dressing room number 1, dressing room number 2, and then back here, here's the bathroom, all finished in blue, cute mirror, a table, back here with shampoo bowl, tanning right back here. And that is the new store. You should come in and check out the new store and all of our new fall clothes.